Hi! Hello world! To truly love someone means to protect them, take care of them, support them, take responsibility for how you treat them and consistently show up for them. It means that you are honest with them, respect them, and have self-control instead of acting out selfishly. You can't really love someone if you don't love yourself. So how do you know if you love yourself? By showing up for yourself in the same way. Are you honest with yourself? Do you have self-control or do you act impulsively? Do you respect yourself and take responsibility for your behaviors? Do you have a good habit or do you neglect doing the things that are good for you? If you can't show yourself the kind of love that makes you a better person, then how do you have anything to offer to anyone else? Give them the love they deserve before you hurt them, before you do something that you can take back. Demonstrate your love for them instead of trying to convince them with your words. Invest in your own growth so you can inspire them, and you will find out how amazing it is to finally have a connection that feels safe. By Joel Clemons. On this story of Anna, as she is into being health conscious, as keto diet is into her. As we all know, health is very important in our life. As to keto diet, it has many benefits, like it prioritizes fats and proteins over carbs. It may help reduce body weight, acne, and the risk of cancer. Hear this on what Anna's story post talking about.
Dzień dobry, drodzy. Właśnie wróciłam z treningu i są takie dni, w których albo nie mam czasu, albo nie mam mocy sprawczej, albo najzwyczajniej w świecie od czasu do czasu mi się nie chce gotować, robić zakupów i rzadko, ale wtedy sięgam po catering. I odkąd dowiedziałam się o tym, że mam insulinooporność, tak jak wiecie, w połowie lipca miałam totalnie poważne wykwity skórne i zaczęłam się zastanawiać w ogóle, o co chodzi, dociekać, działać i wielowymiarowo badać się. Dzisiaj też mi schodzi skóra, bo jestem po specjalnym takim złuszczającym zabiegu. Jak widzicie, już jest naprawdę bardzo dobrze. Teraz jest kwestia zlikwidowania przebarwień. Także życie bez make-upu wraca.
In keto diet foods, where carbs are extremely limited, the body instead draws its energy from dietary fats and the body fats storage, which produce ketone bodies. Those ketone bodies then can be measured in the blood to see if ketosis, the act of the body burning up fats instead of carbs, has been achieved. For me, it's really good for our health, a keto diet. Like Anna in here.
Ale do meritum. W takich dniach zamawiam catering i jest taki jeden catering, któremu zaufałam. Nazywa się Biketo i mówię wam o tym, bo wiem, że większość z was, kobiet, mierzy się z różnymi chorobami, często nieuświadomionymi, tak jak w moim wypadku. I bardzo ważne jest to, co jemy. Ja wróciłam do mięsa i akurat jeżeli chodzi o Biketo, zamawiałam catering low carb. Są to 3 posiłki. Robię sobie fasting 16/8, czyli 16 godzin nie jem, 8 godzin jem. I na przykład dzisiaj mam na śniadanie zapiekanki z pastą z tuńczyka. Potem sałatka z camembert i kurczakiem oraz bifteki greckie w sosie z pieczonych warzyw. Ograniczyłam totalnie węglowodany, to znaczy makaroniki, białe pieczywko.
As Anna into the product and services of a company, Biketo Catering. It's a keto-friendly store that sells keto creams and other products like meals to meet your preferences and dietary restrictions. They offer fast delivery, good customer service, and high-quality items. In here, Anna explain more of it.
Co to znaczy, że ograniczyłam węglowodany? To znaczy, że pieczywo, białe pieczywo, wszelkiego rodzaju makarony, takie puste, dosyć napchane, napompowane kalorie w ogóle nie wchodzą w grę. Od czasu do czasu zjem bataty, ale wtedy, kiedy ugotuję je i włożę je na 24 godziny do lodówki. Tak naprawdę moja dieta teraz opiera się na... jest po prostu białkowo-tłuszczowa. Nie wchodzę w ketozę, dlatego węgle dostarczam w innej postaci. Od czasu do czasu są to warzywa, ale też już coraz mniej. I przede wszystkim mięso dobrego pochodzenia, wywary kolagenowe i sprawdzone suple. Także zostawiam Wam, słuchajcie, tutaj link, polecam, jeżeli tylko macie ochotę, to Biketo. Bardzo tak. Pięknego dnia.
On Anna post, she captioned it with, "And maybe I can't change everything, what happened to me, but I can change how I choose myself every day to move forward, how I want my day to look like, how to grow, to heal, to bloom, how I can be the change I want to see. Make choices that align for me, that let me learn new ways to feel joy, contentment, and let my nervous system feel connected back to safety. This is what I can change, and this is what I can choose. How about you?" With also a quote that you said, "I have so many parts of me to meet still." And also the saying you telling us, "You are your power. On days where doubt creep in, remember, you are working towards and you are capable of reaching those dreams that feels like they are beyond the stars. It's only a matter of time until you look back and thank yourself for not settling, for not giving up, and for treating yourself with respect and kindness. Fight the good fight, but remember to breathe, the magic is within you." Anna's story saying, "It was and still is a great pleasure for Kasia. There is power in us, women, especially when we can be together." On this post of Anna, she captioned it with, "Be more invested in how your life feels than how it looks to others," which is very true, that we should not always be bothered of what will others have to say, to have to please them. Anna reposts a post of her photographer Kate, who was an official photographer in Monaco, Cannes, and Paris. Anna attended the first edition of BNP Paribas Warsaw Serial Con. It is a festival for who shines a light on the incredible series being made today, celebrates the people who bring them to life, and a platform to share these amazing stories with the world. Oh, wow! What are beautiful, expensive cars. But I am wondering, Simone, why go into rental? If you have the needs to buy your own for yourself, it's just a question in my mind. Hey! Simone already chose his rented luxury car and now he is ready to paint the town red. Keep safe while driving! Hey! What's up, what's up? Simone is in Rome this time. Simone, are you going to rent another car? And I love the color of this car. It's ultra hot. Simone is with his friend Doc James as they are at Hospital Ospedale San Rafael, which is part of Healthcare Grupo San Donato, hoping, Simone, everything is fine with you. Simone at Benhart, a clothing company. It was an Italian handcrafted leather goods, as Simone said, king of the leather. Lovely, the leather jacket, it suits you. On the new post of Michele, he captioned it with, "Looks like some of the lyrics to Michele's upcoming song in my head have made their way to some special funds. Check your DMs to see if you have received one. Check it out, guys! On this story of Michele, he said that, I love people that have nothing to lose. They are free. As to my opinion, they are the people who are confident in their life, that they have the good values, and always doing the good deeds. That is why they are open to say and do everything they want. Michele, what are you trying to emphasize to us? The abs of yours as to the fruit of your regular exercise, or the fading tattoo of yours? What do you think, guys, then? A new book of Salvatore Esposito that was given to Michele, as Salvatore is the new cast to join the film Maserati the Brothers, and on Michele's story, he is saying his thank you for Salvatore for giving him this new release book of him. Enjoy reading the book, Michele! It's good, Michele. You have to study your lines for your Maserati film. Okay, Michele, as you are back on shooting day, get ready for the lights, camera, action! Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button, share this video to others, and please subscribe on my channel. Day 339 of the 366 days of 2024. A message to all. Since so many view dating as an activity and relationship as temporary, courtship is not a word that we hear that often anymore. Courtship is dating someone with the intention of wanting to build a future with them. It's not about games, manipulation, or instant gratification. It means building a foundation of trust and respect. It's looking at someone as a potential life partner. You know how someone really feels about you by whether or not they make you and their relationship with you a priority. This is especially important if you are in a long-distance relationship. There's need to be even more communication and reassurance in order to make it work. A person who really wants you and loves you doesn't stop courting you after you are a couple, or after a year, or even how many years to them. Your heart is worth winning every day. When we want something badly enough, we won't let anything get in our way. When we love someone enough, we will do whatever it takes to make sure that they not only know it but feel it. By Joel Clemons.